Good morning, traders. It is Thursday, May 8, 2025. Today, we're focusing on the latest jobless claims data and its implications for the market. Yesterday, ES futures experienced a relatively stable trading session ahead of FOMC announcement. Post-announcement, the market fell to remain in low volume mode below 5,605, taking out both the session's highs and lows, only to close back into the 2-day value area. You might notice a little difference in my hourly chart today with a different display of the execution levels. This is an automated indicator that we are building behind the scenes for you guys, so stay tuned for more news about this total game changer. Let's dive into the key developments and what they mean for today's trading strategy. On the 10-day volume profile, ES took out the 10-day open, signaling a potential shift from bearish to bullish sentiment. The next significant resistance is 5,724.75. Going into the weekly, ES is maintaining its position above the weekly value area, currently oscillating around the weekly open and close. A move towards 5,724.75 could precede a potential breakout above this value area high 5,732. And let us look at yesterday's 2-hour delta chart. We had a lot of VWAP interaction. Globex open shot right above the weekly VWAP, but the day evolved into a rather ranging market with the VWAP acting as a midpoint. Price tested both standard deviations here and closed below the weekly VWAP, indicating indecision amongst traders. And we see the same thing on the New York TPO, a nice balanced profile taking out the previous day's highs and lows with excess observed at the top. Holding above this spike could indicate further bullish strength. As we go further into the 1-hour chart, we see that we are now into a 5-day range. The Globex session appears to be targeting Monday's opening gap, breaking the 1 time framing down and testing Friday's failed breakout zone. So as for a game plan, our line ascent will be 5,652, the 2 spikes from yesterday and the day before. As bullish targets, we have 5,687, 5,722, and lastly 5,758. For bearish targets, we will look at 5,616, 5,581, and 5,545. So with jobless claims coming up, traders should remain pretty cautious. Monitor the key levels closely and be prepared for potential volatility as the market digests this information. And as always, check out the more detailed newsletter. Join the Discord if you want help in a real community. Hit like, subscribe, and for God's sake, leave me a nice comment while you're here. Stay informed, trade wisely, and I'll be back tomorrow with another market update.